Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I am very fine friends. Because of this lockdown I have been busy with my household work so I could not upload videos for a long time. So today is Ekadashi. From today onwards I'll be uploading videos. Friends, those who are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and please bell the bell button so that you get notification of my videos. Today I will tell you the importance of chanting and benefits of chanting Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Lord Vishnu is Vishveshwara, the one who rules over the world, the one who is supreme. Vishnu Sahasranama is the list of the 1000 names of Lord Vishnu. It is popular chant in Hinduism. The main source of Vishnu Sahasranama is Anushasana Parva of Mahabharata, which is the 149th chapter. This is the most popular version through there and other versions available too. The other sources also include Padma Puran, Skanda Puran and Garuda Puran. When Mahavacharya believes each of the names in Vishnu Sahasranama has almost 100 meanings. Therefore, this is a very profound and powerful chant. Even if one chants the Vishnu Sahasranama without knowing the meaning of all the names, it can still be beneficial. Bhishma believed that chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama or even listening to it removes sins and fears. In Gita, the Lord says, constantly praising me and striving to reach me with firm resolve and offering obeisance to me brings me closer to my devotees. God already knows what you want. Therefore, selfless serving Him in the pursued form of worship. Even listening to the Vishnu Sahasranama can help one obtain all goals and missions. Meditation is also an important step in this process. Most people believe that chanting it daily can have innumerable benefits. Some of them are listed below. Vishnu Sahasranama can bring good luck. According to astrology, chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama can help overcome different curses and bad luck attached to some people. It also helps overcome the doshas that result from the poor positioning of the planet in one's birth chart. Regular chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama can bring good luck and fortune to the household. It helps overcome financial difficulties and poor economic conditions. Vishnu Sahasranama can increase confidence. Chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama daily can also enhance the mind. It increases concentration, relieves stress and helps to focus on positive things. It can fill the mind with positive things. The Vishnu Sahasranama can help one overcome all obstacles by filling one with self-confidence and help pursue goals in focused manner. It removes worries. This powerful chant can help absolve one of their sins. It can help one move forward the path of righteousness. Vishnu Sahasranama removes diseases. Chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama can help cure many diseases. It also prevents fear, tension, stress and low self-esteem. It reduces quarrels among family members and brings peace atmosphere inside the house. Some believe it also can help cure infertility and bless families with children. It also protects the children of the family. Vishnu Sahasranama works as a kavach. The ultimate benefit of chanting the Vishnu Sahasranama is that it moves a devotee closer to the possibility of gaining salvation or moksha in the afterlife. Vishnu Sahasranama, when chanted, is believed to create a protective kavacha around the chanter's soul, body and mind. This protects the chanter from the evil intention of enemies or bad wishes. The Vishnu Sahasranama, or the 1000 names of Lord Vishnu, appears in the Shanti Parva of the Mahabharata and articulated by Bhishma as he lay on the bed of arrows and awaited his death. In response to Yudhishthira's question as to what is the easiest and best means of which mankind can attain lasting happiness, peace of mind, relief from all bondages and sorrow and salvation, Bhishma gave the answer, imparted the Vishnu Sahasranama in the presence of Lord Krishna himself. Thus 1000 names were strung together by sage Veda Vyasa. Vishnu Sahasranama and Bhagavad Gita are an integral part of Mahabharata. Sri Adi Shankaracharya was the first to write a commentary on Vishnu Sahasranama. Each name in the Vishnu Sahasranama highlights a particular excellence of the Lord. Yudhishthira, the king of Dharma, when he himself was confused about the biggest Dharma to follow in life, Krishna did not answer him as he did to Arjuna in Kurukshetra. Krishna did not impart the knowledge of Gita to Yudhishthira as he did for Arjuna, when the latter was confused about whether to fight against his own relatives or not. Instead, Krishna took Yudhishthira to the great warrior Bhishma to clarify his doubts. Bhishma was actually in his arrow bed when Krishna brought Yudhishthira to ask Bhishma the following 6 questions. It is wise with these 6 questions the Vishnu Sahasranama starts. Who is the greatest Lord in the world? Who is the one refuge for all? By glorifying whom can man reach the auspicious peace and prosperities? By worshipping whom can a man reach auspiciousness? What is thy opinion of great dharma? By doing japa or what can creatures go beyond the bonds of samsara? There are immense benefits for chanting any Sahasranama Stotram. Plus, one who chants Sahasranama daily for minimum 1 year can see amazing benefits provided he does it with proper method, bhakti or shraddha, faith and devotion. But it's better for you to chant these rosas that are for your Kuladeva and Kuladevi. These are the gods of a particular family or clan, or your Ishta or favorite Devta, the one who can benefit you most, or your desired Devta. Benefits of chanting Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram is luck, better finances, favorable environment at home, fulfillment of desires, strength, protection, spiritual growth. Now the method is, first you should properly learn the Vishnu Sahasranama with proper pronunciation. You can do this with the help of a learned Pandit or at least some good YouTube chanting mantra or sound energy technology. If you chant wrong things can happen. It is very important to use a proper mat or woolen asana. Get a good woolen asana or preferably yellow colored from tailor shop. Make sure it's sufficiently big and after sitting, no part of your body touches the ground. If energy developed during chant goes into the ground, then chanting has no benefit. It's like earning money and keeping it open unsafe on street. Most likely it will be stolen or taken away. You have to take sankalpa and vinayog if you want to fulfill any particular desire. Do basic Panchopachar puja of Lakshmi Narayan, dhoop, deep, pure cow ghee lamp, naivedya, pushpa, rose, swarna champa, lotus, tulsi leaves, etc., whichever is available. Akshata, unbroken rice, plus kesar also is very good. You can use photo, idol, yantra or best shaligram, but it has certain strict rules. Get a good photo of Lakshmi Narayan or Seshnath. Get it from Google and print it out photo quality lamination paper, then keep it in front of you. This step increases your devotion and concentration. After this, take Sankalpa and Virog and start the Sahasranama. It can take from half hour to 1.5 hours, so do not hurry. Best time is morning before sunrise like 5 a.m. Then evening just during sunset. Also after midnight is alright. If you are busy and can't do morning and evening, then do it at night. Plus keep a tulsi plant at home and take care of it properly. Light a cow ghee lamp in evening with incense sticks agarbatti. Wear a tulsi mala around your neck for at least 2 hours daily after bath. Respect cows and do seva for them in any way you can. Make habit of feeding roti, chapati or grouse to cows daily. Above 3 points will boost chances of success in deriving power from Vishnu Sahasranama. If you chant daily, then do. If you cannot chant daily, then do it on Ekadashi day or on Friday or on Thursday. Put a mark or tilak or saffron sandalwood on your head starting from center to of eyebrow to upwards. You can refer to the Falastuti of Vishnu Sahasranama. Thus was told all the holy 1,000 names of Keshava who is great. He who hears or sings it all without fail in all days of the year will never get in bad in this life and after. The Brahmins will get knowledge, the Kshatriya will get victory, the Vaishyas will get wealth, the Shudras will get treasure. By reading these, he who seeks dharma, he who seeks wealth, he who seeks pleasures, he who seeks children will all without fail get what they want. He who chants these holy 1,000 names with devotion to Purushottama will cross the miseries that cannot be crossed without fail. He who sings the 1,000 names of Vasudeva with utmost devotion after he rises in the morning with a mind tied to him always will get fame without fail, will be first in what he does, will get riches that last, would attain salvation from these bonds, will never be afraid of anything, will be bubbling with vim and valor, will not get any illness, will be handsome forever, will have all the virtues in this wide world, and he who is ill will get cured. He who is bound will be free. He who is afraid will get rid of fear. He who is in danger will be safe. So friends, this is the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.